How to turn off or on missed call reminders on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on missed call reminders on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here and go down and click settings and then click this one, notifications, and now go down and you will find this one, message call reminders. If you want to turn it off, just one click, and as you see, message call reminders has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.